How RPA is used in businesses for automating repetitive tasks. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is a technology that allows organizations to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks using software robots or bots. These bots are designed to perform tasks just like a human would, interacting with various applications and systems to complete workflows. Here are some key aspects of RPA. Workflow automation. RPA bots can be programmed to follow a set of predefined rules and steps to complete a specific task or a series of tasks. This can include tasks like data entry, data extraction, form filling, and more. No coding required. RPA platforms are designed to be user-friendly, often allowing users to create automation workflows without the need for extensive coding skills. This makes RPA accessible to a wide range of professionals. Integration capabilities. RPA bots can interact with various applications and systems, including legacy systems, web applications, and even virtual environments. They can mimic human actions like mouse clicks, keystrokes, and data entry. Rule-based decision-making. Bots follow predefined rules and decision trees. While they can be intelligent to a certain extent, they are not capable of making complex decisions on their own, unless integrated with AI capabilities. Scalability and efficiency. RPA can significantly increase efficiency by handling tasks 24/7 without breaks or errors. This leads to reduced operational costs and faster task completion. Audit trail and compliance. RPA platforms often provide detailed logs of bot activities, offering transparency and accountability. This is important for regulatory compliance and auditing purposes. Enhanced employee productivity. By automating repetitive tasks, RPA allows employees to focus on more value-added activities that require creativity, critical thinking, and decision-making. Cost savings. RPA can lead to significant cost savings by reducing the time and effort required to perform manual tasks. It can also eliminate the need for hiring additional staff to handle repetitive tasks. Continuous improvement and optimization. RPA platforms often come with analytics and monitoring capabilities, allowing organizations to track the performance of bots and make improvements over time. Security and data protection. RPA platforms often have robust security features to protect sensitive data. However, it's crucial to ensure that the automation workflows are designed with security in mind. RPA is being used across various industries such as finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and customer service, among others, to streamline operations and improve efficiency. It's a rapidly evolving field, with new developments and integrations with other technologies like AI and machine learning. Impacts of Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, has had a significant impact on various aspects of businesses across different industries. Here are some of the key impacts of RPA. Increased efficiency and productivity. RPA allows for the automation of repetitive and rule-based tasks, which leads to faster task completion and higher productivity. Bots can work 24/7 without breaks, leading to continuous and consistent output. Cost reduction. By automating tasks that were previously performed manually, businesses can reduce labor costs associated with those tasks. RPA also reduces the likelihood of human error, which can lead to costly mistakes. Improved accuracy and quality. RPA bots perform tasks with a high degree of accuracy and precision, reducing the likelihood of errors in data entry, processing, and other routine activities. Enhanced compliance and audit trail. RPA platforms provide detailed logs and audit trails of bot activities. This transparency helps with compliance efforts and provides a clear record of all automated processes. Faster processing times. RPA can significantly reduce processing times for tasks that involve data entry, data extraction, and other manual processes. This can lead to faster decision-making and improved customer service. Scalability. RPA solutions can be easily scaled to accommodate changes in workload or business expansion. Additional bots can be deployed quickly to handle increased volumes. Employee satisfaction and value-added work. By automating mundane and repetitive tasks, employees can focus on more strategic, creative, and value-added activities that require critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This can lead to increased job satisfaction. Flexibility and adaptability. RPA can adapt to changes in business processes and applications without the need for significant reprogramming. This makes it a flexible solution for evolving business needs. Competitive advantage. Businesses that leverage RPA often have a competitive edge in terms of efficiency and cost effectiveness. This can lead to better customer service and higher customer satisfaction. Customer experience improvement. RPA can lead to faster response times, more accurate order processing, and improved customer service overall. This can positively impact the customer experience. Strategic decision making. With routine tasks automated, management can access real-time data and insights to make more informed and strategic decisions. Innovation and technological integration. RPA is often integrated with other emerging technologies like AI and machine learning, leading to even more advanced automation capabilities and innovation. It's important to note that while RPA has brought about many positive impacts, it's crucial for organizations to implement it thoughtfully and consider the potential impacts on employees, processes, and overall business strategy. Additionally, ongoing monitoring and optimization of RPA processes are essential for maximizing its benefits.